Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nelia. Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my winter hair routine for 2020 and for 2021. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. First, we're going to start with my favorite clarifying shampoo. This is the Wash Day Delight by Carol's Daughter. Now we're going to follow up with a protein treatment. I do this once a month. This is the Apogee Keratin 2-Minute Reconstructor, followed by my favorite deep conditioner by Ada Hair. So here I'm showing you my deep conditioning process. I take the deep conditioner and I put it in large sections over my head. And then I usually split that section into two and get to detangling my hair. I like to detangle first with my fingers, but if my hair is really knotted, like it's been in that bun for a really long time, or I'm coming from a protective style, I will follow up with a detangling tool. And this round I used my denim brush, but a wide tooth comb also works, just as long as you're getting those tangles out of your hair. And the deep conditioning step is a great time to do that. We're just going to twist up that section to get it out the way and keep it from tangling up again and move on to the next. And I proceed to do this all over my head. Then I throw on a plastic cap, and you can choose to sit under heat, which I highly recommend. Or you can just have the plastic cap on for 30 minutes to an hour to get some steam going. But after that, I take it off and we're just going to rinse out the deep conditioner. Now I'm unraveling my twists to put in my leave-in conditioner. You actually don't have to unravel them all together. You could do it just one by one, but I guess I was feeling like doing extra work that day. My favorite leave-in conditioner, as you guys know, is Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength, which I just ran out of after filming this video. So upset. So I'm off to get another bottle. It's literally my favorite leave-in conditioner. I can't replace it. It's amazing. So this is the first time I'm seeing my hair after giving myself a trim, so I'm just really happy right now. The deep conditioner did its job. My hair feels super soft and my curls are literally thick and clumping and bouncy, and everything is just working like it always does. Like, that's why I'm smiling right now. Like, I'm just so happy. Trim your ends, guys. Trim your ends. It's time. It's probably time. Do it. Here is my shea butter mix. I am going to do maybe like an Instagram video about how to make your own whipped shea butter mix. This is my go-to in the wintertime. Like, I cannot live without this. My hair loves this stuff. So I use it to coat my hair, and it really helps keep in all that moisturization we just put into it, the water, the deep conditioner, the leave-in conditioner. It seals all of that in and keeps my hair super soft and also gives it a great sheen, which I love. Now you could stop here at this step and do a wash and go, you know, slap on your favorite gel. But in the wintertime, I try not to do too many wash and goes, only because it dries out my hair. And as you guys know, I'm trying to step back from doing wash and goes because of the tangling it causes in my hair. So we're actually going to style my hair, and we're going to do my go-to winter style that you guys will always see me. Like, if you see me down the street, you're going to see me in this style, okay? So I'm going to show you guys how I put this style in. Before any type of style, I do focus on my scalp health, and for that I use the Sulfur 8 medicated formula for scalp, and it really helps with itching. I do deal with a lot of itching. My scalp will get dry so quick. But if you don't like using sulfur 8, you can use whatever your favorite oil is at the time. But this one, I see like it really makes a difference. When I don't use it, my scalp is just crying. But if I do use it, it's amazing. I love it. So I never really style on soaking wet hair because my hair, you know, low porosity, it will take forever to dry. I'm talking days. So I like to do it on damp hair. So I'll keep this little towel on my head for about an hour or two, you know, continue on my day. But then I'll get to styling when it's like 80% dry. So for styling today, we're going to use the Snot Gel by Cream of Nature and my favorite twisting cream, which is the one by Melanin. So here I'm just showing you guys that shine, that poppington of the curls. Like, they are super happy. That shea butter always does me some good in the wintertime. I love it. So we're just going to split our hair from ear to ear. We're going to have a back section and a front section. So in this back section, we're going to do 3-strand twists. You can also just do regular 2-strand twists, but I like 3-strand twists on my hair because they're longer and they help elongate the twist for me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just like the length it gives. They do take a little longer to put in because you're messing with 3 strands instead of 2, but it's always worth it at the end, and they always do really well in my hair. Now in the front, we're going to get a little fancy today. So in the front, I wanted to do some flat twists to the side just to add a little pizzazz. And here I am just sectioning off a side part because I love a little side part on me. And we're just going to begin putting in small flat twists going, horizontal backwards. I would like to take this time to say, do not use a lot of that Cream of Nature Snot Gel. A little really does go a long way. I did get some product buildup and flaking near the end of this whole hair adventure. So don't use a lot of it. You don't need a lot of it. I always get carried away because I always want it to look sleek and smooth, but it does the job just fine with just a little dollop on your hand. Now this is the style right here. I am quick to pin up these twists and make a cute little updo looking thing going on. I will keep my hair in this style for a week, and it lasts, y'all. Like the gym and just laying around the house and all that. It looks so sleek and soft and moisturized, and the curls are like, oh, the twists are juicy looking. It looks amazing. I always love having it back pinned up with some bobby pins, and we're good to go. But if you do get tired of that style, we do have me here 3 days later, and I'm taking the twist down. Twist outs for me always do really well when I give them like a full 24 hours to dry. That's just my hair type, you know, the low porosity. It's fully dry. It absorbed all the products, so that's how I always usually get the best results. And here are the results of the 3-strand twist out. I left the flat twist in on the side to give it, you know, like that little pizzazz. We're going for pizzazz here, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed my winter hair routine. It really does me good. This will last me a couple more days, and then we're back with the wash day again. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a like if you did. Subscribe, join the family, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.